Welcome. In front of me is a INFINIX Hot 11, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device and the box, but you can also use a paper clip in one of the ends and it should work just as well. So from here you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. So as you can see where the pin is holding right now, push it in, the tray pops out just a tiny bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and on the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards, each slot being dedicated to that card, and 1 SD card. Utilize one of each, and from there we can insert it back into the device. Now the cards should, there we go, start working immediately. As you can see, for me the SIM card is already working. I do have a pin on it, so I'm going to verify it, and that unlocks my SIM card, and I can tell you that SD card is working as well. As you can see, there is a little icon and you have a notification, tap to set up SD card. So there we go, both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.